Hanbote. Now this is just a short weapon that's just a little bit over 2 feet in length. Don't confuse this with the Eskrima stick, which is made out of rat and cane. This is a solid piece of wood. Now we're going to start off with some basics on this, so I just stand up straight, hand by my side, and then I'm just going to come into yoi, which is going to be a ready position. From my ready position, I'm going to move forward and block coming up. Now when I'm doing this, I'm making a nice rolling action moving up. I'm holding it in the right hand, and then the left palm here is just supporting this to do the movement. So I step forward and roll. The idea behind the roll is to repel a weapon away from you. So as you hit it and push up with it, it pushes the weapon away from you, right? I don't like the idea of wrapping your thumb around the outside of this, because as you come up and impact this way, you're going to break your thumb. So keep your thumbs to the outside. Now I'm going to move forward and do a downward block with this. And again, I'm stepping forward, and I'm doing this with my left leg and just moving forward and rolling to push down with it. Now again, you must get used to these rolling actions. So I just step forward, block, move down, and then move back. Now moving and doing an outer block. When I do this, I roll with my right hand, so I'm just twisting with this, and the left hand comes up and supports this. This hand forms a little groove, so it just fits nicely into this part, and I can just roll coming out, so I can step and block out. You need to extend your arms out fully when you're doing this. Don't come in with your arms here, because otherwise you'll collapse back. So extend out, do a nice powerful block, and then move back. And now I want to turn, stepping forward and then just twisting off to the side. And when I'm doing this, I'm bringing the Hanbote up and I'm rolling off to the side this way. An attack is coming directly towards me, I can block off, and again I'm doing this rolling action. Note again that my thumb is just to the outside when I do my movement, and I can block and roll powerfully. So I step, block, move back. Now I'm going to do a scooping block with a strike attached to the end of this. Now I want you to visualise if a kick is coming into me, first thing I'm doing is I'm stepping out the way, I bring that Hanbote over, and then I strike across as I do my movement. So I step and strike out with it, step and strike out. And now I want to do a scoop to the inside. With this, I'm bringing my one hand, my right hand, just up to the back of it. I move off to the side and scoop out. And I want you to visualise again, if a kick is coming into me, I move out of the way, move and scoop and catch that leg. So I have a movement, step and scoop. Thrusting strike using the Hanbote. I'm going to step forward with my left, and I strike out with this, and as I strike I give a little twist coming onto this. I want to bend my arm up so it's just at a slight angle, so it's quite a powerful movement. So I step and strike out. Now step with my left, strike with my right, and then just move back. The Hanbote is excellent for thrusting, and what I'm doing is I'm stepping forward with my left leg and I'm thrusting and striking out with this. Now when I'm doing this, I'm using a two-handed grip. I'm letting it slide just between the front hand, and my back hand, being my right hand, is giving a twisting action. If I change around this way, you'll see again I can make this nice striking action coming out. Varying your height will depend on your attack, going up to Jodan, Chudan, or down to Gidan.